Topic 14: Police Command and Management. Human Rights Standards. Law enforcement officials shall at all times fulfill the duty imposed on them by law by serving the community and by protecting all persons against illegal acts consistent with the high degree of responsibility required by their profession. Law enforcement officials shall not commit any act of corruption. They shall rigorously oppose and combat all such acts. Law enforcement officials shall respect and protect human dignity and maintain and uphold the human rights of all persons. Every law enforcement agency shall be representative of the responsive and accountable to the community as a whole. The recruitment, hiring, assignment, and promotion policies of police agencies shall be free from any form of unlawful discrimination. Clear, complete, and accurate records shall be maintained on matters of investigation, arrest, detention, the use of force and firearms, victims assistance, and all other matters of police activity. Training and clear guidance shall be made available on all matters of police activity affecting human rights. Police agencies shall make available a range of means for the differentiated use of force and shall train officers in their use. All incidents of the use of force or firearms shall be reported to and reviewed by superior officials. Superior officials shall be held responsible for the actions of police under their command if the superior officials knew or should have known of abuse but failed to take concrete action. Officials who refuse unlawful superior orders shall be given immunity. Confidential information is to be handled securely. All police cadets shall be of appropriate mental and physical character. All police are to be subject to continuous and effective reporting and review procedures. Police shall develop strategies for all law enforcement which are effective, lawful, and respectful of human rights.